Hi you guys. So today I'm going to open this Lush Kitchen subscription box for the Christmas holiday. And so I just got this day before yesterday, and it looks like it's been kind of smashed by the mail. So hopefully nothing is damaged in this. So now I'm gonna get the scissors and open it. So it doesn't look like anything's damaged, but I'm not real sure. But that's what the box looks like inside. So let's see here. So here's a card, and it says, "Welcome to 29 High Street." And it's got a code reader in English and in French. Something that you open, the door's right here, so it's perforated right there. And so I'm going to open that. Okay, it says, "For days when the world is too much, with us there's Lush." And oh nice. Here is a pin. You guys know I collect pins, Lush pins, and it's of the 29 High Street front door. You guys might remember my video when I went to go visit this 29 High Street store in Poole, Dorset, England, and just going in that store. It's their original store, the first store, Lush original store. And that store was so amazing. It's a little quaint store that's absolutely gorgeous. And the people that work there were really awesome. They sell a lot of rare and limited edition Lush. This looks like a perfume. I'm wondering if it's 29 High Street perfume. So, because this is the kind of box that the atomizer perfumes are in. And ooh, it is. It's a 29 High Street. This fragrance is rare because they only sell this perfume at the 29 High Street store. And they have given them, they have put them in the Lush Kitchen subscription box a couple of times, but you can't buy them unless you're in that store in England. So let's see how it smells. Oh God. See, I have always really liked this fragrance. That's one of my favorite Lush fragrances. And the person that created this fragrance, her name is Pia, and she posted on my video one time. I have one or two videos about the 29 High Street perfume and the HQ perfume that I have, and I was talking about them in the video, and Pia came along and told me how she created that fragrance, and she wanted it to smell like a Lush shop, and she told me the different Lush products scents that went into making this. So that was rather interesting. So thank you, Pia, for creating that. And ooh, a new shower gel. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays shower gel. Okay. Now, this says a delectable cherry chocolate scented shower gel. I'm wondering, because I'm looking at the ingredients, and I'm wondering, I'll be right back and go bring something. So there is this shower gel, and this was available only a couple of years ago in the Lush Christmas Advent Calendar gift set, okay? only in there. They didn't sell it anywhere. And when I first smelled this, as some of you know, I made a video right away and I just went bananas because this was like so yummy. It was cherry and chocolate. At first, when I opened it, smelled it, and I'm like, cherry and chocolate? Oh my God. Because Lush has never made any kind of shower gel that's cherry and chocolate. And when I smelled it, something said in my brain, this smells exactly like the Lush Cherryish, it's called Cherryish body scrub. It's in the shape of a heart, and it's got red cherries on the top of this. That's what this smells like. And it says right here, it says cherryishly good, meaning it smells like their cherryish body scrub. So oh, and it's got glitter in it. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, so let's open it. Well, it says a delectable chocolate cherry scented lather. It's got agave syrup, cocoa, and almond. Almond smells like cherries, and Lush uses almonds quite a bit when they're creating a cherry scent. It's the same, it is the same scent as this and as the cherryish massage bar body scrub. So I'm really excited that I get that I get another bottle of this, because look at this. I have been saving and barely using when I use it because I don't want it to go away because it's so wonderful. So now I can use it. Now this has gold glitter, so it is the same. Oh my God, this, if you like the cherryish scrub, the smell of it, you will love this because it smells exactly the same. Cherry chocolate. Oh my God. A lot of cherry smell, lots of cherry. It's cherry forward, okay? And then it's got the chocolate sort of in the background. All right, so far so good. Now I know why some of y'all were like, April, look, do a video. A candle. I love all of the Lush candles. I've loved Lush candles since before they were even called Lush. They used to make candles and I love them, and I'm so glad I waited so many years for them to make candles again. This one is blue, and oh, it's a 29 High Street candle. Yes. Oh my God, you guys, okay. Oh, come through, scented candles. Love it. Oh. So thank you, Lush, for making these things. Oh my God. And then there's this. Oops, something happened here. Something, yikes. Something leaked all over. It's something yellow that leaked all over, because let's see how it's all yellow. And I don't know what it is because there's nothing on the bottom. There's no products, on the bottom. So maybe it was this that made the yellow. So this looks like, oh, it's sort of coming apart. Is an elf. This is an elf of some kind. And okay, hold on. Let me get all this dust off of me and then I'll come right back. I can tell that that's a hat with the ball on the end. So I think this is the top. And I think it had a face of some kind, but the male people kind of smashed it a little bit, but this smells like something Lush. This smells like something Lush, like a perfume, maybe? It's sort of citrusy. Well, it is citrusy. Maybe it has some orange in there and like a green note and then a floral note as well. It smells almost like soapy or green, and then a little bit of citrus. So he's a cute little guy. And then, oh, let me unwrap this thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a bauble bath melt. And I don't know if some of you remember, I went to the Creative Showcase one year for Christmas. I think it was in 2017 or 18, and they had there a bunch of these different colors, different designs, different fragrances, and they called them bath melts, and they're really heavy and they're really bigger than most of the Lush bath melts. And this one in particular I love. I did a whole page or two in my lushalot.com Lush blog about all of the Lush bauble melts, and I took pictures of all of them and what each one smells like and what they look like in the water. And this one was one of my favorites, of course, because it's purple, but it also has those beautiful silver shimmer Christmas trees or pine trees and snow on the ground. And it has the scent, it still has the scent of the Furs Lush perfume. Lush made a perfume called Furs. Furze, and it smells of coconut and mimosa flower. Lush used to sell a hand scrub, and it was called, let's see if I can remember. But that's the same scent as this, which is the same scent as the Furs perfume. So it's a yummy, sort of slightly sweet, yummy coconutty scent with a little tiny hint of mimosa flowers, which are so pretty and fresh. And so to use this, it looks like a Christmas ornament, right? So you can give it as a gift for a Christmas ornament. So you turn on the bath water, and then you hold this and let the water hit it, and then it melts into the bath below. Or you can cut it in half and place it in the water so it floats in the water, and then it melts and disperses its essential oils and colors throughout the water. Or you can use the whole thing in the water. I wouldn't use the whole thing. It's rather big, and even though my tub is big, it becomes quite slippery. And since I'm kind of old, the last thing I need is to slip and fall in the tub again. So, but I'm really excited to get this. So this one is called Winter Night. Winter Night. So we've got the dark night sky, and then the snow over the trees. So pretty. And then this is called There's No Room on the Nice List. So I guess that means he has to put us on the naughty list. That way we can tell people, well, yeah, I'm on the naughty list, but just because there wasn't any room on the good list. So this has popping candy in it. It's got rose, violet leaf, sandalwood, maple syrup, and it looks like it may or may not have some glitter in it. And again, it smells like a Lush perfume, but I'm not sure which one. So this looks like it's going to make some highlighter green colored water. So I'm really excited about all of this. So that is the box for Christmas season 2022 for the Lush subscription box, the monthly box. And I'm pleased with this box. There's a lot of extremely hard to find, rare and limited edition products in this box. For instance, they've never made this before. They've made candles, but not in this 29 High Street fragrance. So they just made it for this subscription box. And they've never made this pin before. And they've never made this bath bomb before. And they have made this 29 High Street perfume before, but it's not available anywhere except for the 29 High Street store in England. So that's hard to find. And then this, I mean, the only place this was available was in the last Christmas's Advent calendar gift set. And that's it. They've never made it or sold it anywhere else. So, and then there's this one. And this one was a limited edition, and it was only available on the website of the Lush UK website and at the Creative Showcase in England. So this one, I just don't really know what it's supposed to smell like. That's, I think, my least favorite scent of everything in this box. So that is it's called A Little Holiday Magic, this box. So let me know which ones do you like best in this box, and which ones did you not like from this box. So let me know. I'm always curious what you guys think of the products. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And coming up, I'll be opening up more Christmas products. I'll be uploading more Christmas product demo videos real soon. So thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.